Today I'm going to talk about word snoring. What is snoring? When people fall asleep and sometimes they realize that noise when they are in deep sleep, they get snoring that would make others annoying about that person. That noise that people makes during their sleep is called snoring. When uh, when some of not all of them, some of them they get this snoring, and that makes others to get disturbance during their sleep because of that noise that people while sleeping fall asleep, and they are in deep sleep. Sometimes they may realize themselves that some noise from their throat that disturbing others, and they would get annoyed because of that noise. That is that word we call it as snoring when people makes noise during their sleep. That is snore, snoring. That usually some of them you might have seen at your home. They do get some whole usually older people, they used to they would get snoring during their sleep. And sometimes they would also realize, sometimes they may not realize that they are that they were snoring. That is such kind of like a grunting sound. If you close your mouth and if you say that noise, that is snoring. Yeah, I understand. I hope you understand this word snoring.